My mother. Today I'm
Yeah. Where the party D_bodied it. And whenever y'all need a perfect body, not that my daughter is kind of perfect right now, but I'm working on mine. But when y'all need that body, just check out D_bodied it and get the job done.
Bubble up now. Bad girl, big bumper, pretty cute face, happy fuck that. Ride it, bubble up now. Push it in hard up.
What's up, guys? It's your girl, Bad Girl D, and I'm here with my mother.
He needs some milk.
I'm doing a wig install on her. And before she wanted this, and then she didn't want this, and now she wants this again. Welcome to my world. This is what I deal with on a 24/7 day basis. But yeah, don't mind my hair either. I'm about to do it too. So right after her. Where's the package that you need? So yeah, I'm gonna try this new. I'm about to try this new glue. And once y'all see, y'all gonna know. If you do hair, you know. Or not even. You don't even have to do hair. We're going to be trying this Erica J glue today, the watermelon one, because I heard it smells really good, and the hold me down adhesive, the remover also, because we're trying to hold on to our edges, baby girl. I think I look like my mom.
Hell no.
And then I seen this girl on TikTok. She be doing the she be using stocking caps, so not stocking caps, but whatever the hell this is called, to do her ball cap. So I'm gonna try it today, see how it works. If it doesn't work, then
Here I go. Everything try on mommy.
sure. If it doesn't work, then you know you're just gonna have to try something else. But yeah, y'all, let's get into it.
So first, I like to go in with my wax stick or gel or edge control and just lay back the edges so it won't get in the way for when I do the ball cap method. I then go in with my brush and slick the edges back. Usually if the client has braids in, I'll just blend in the edges with the braids, but in this case my mom, her braids is very old and sometimes she'll even just slick it back with just gel, and so I'll just make sure her edges just stay back. I then go in with the blow dryer to make sure that it stays and that it's dried. And now it is time to put on the ball cap method. So this one, it wasn't difficult, but it was my first time using this because I seen it on TikTok. And honestly, it's a little tight. So before you even do it to yourself or anybody, I suggest you to stretch it out a little bit. But in this case, you know, my mom's head is small, so she wasn't suffering. She was good. But you want to cut the earlobes out, and also some people like when they cut their eyes out so they can see, or if they have lashes so they won't mess it up. But my mom, she was fine. She didn't really care, so I just left it like that, even though she like she's suffering, but I promise you guys she wasn't. Then I'll go in with my Ebon Wander Lace Bond adhesive spray, or I'll use my Got To Be glue spray and just spray around the edges to make sure I can see the edges. And then I'll blow dry it on cool and warm air until it is completely dry. And then I'll take whichever glue that I'm using for the day, which is the Erica J watermelon lace glue. I just put it in my mom's nose because I wanted her to smell it. But I'll use that and then apply it around the edges also and smooth it out until it is completely dried. And you'll know when it's dry when it's no longer any white being shown. And I only use one layer of glue. And then after, I'll go in with my blow dryer again and use cool and warm air back and forth until it is completely dried. So now I'll cut off the extra ball cap, and I like to start off with the eyes first if it's not already cut out, and then I'll go around the ears. And sometimes I'll cut everything off, or I'll just pull it back to the back, which you'll see in here right now. I'm sorry guys, I was so into the show, but usually I will apply the makeup before I cut off the ball cap, but in this case I didn't, but it still worked out perfectly fine. So yeah, but you could do it either way, but I like to do it before I cut off the lace. And not only that, before I apply the glue for the lace, I like to go with my alcohol wipes and wipe off all the excess glue or adhesive spray off of their forehead and the makeup off of their forehead before I apply the glue for the lace. So I went and applied the makeup to the ball cap off camera, but now you see I am applying the makeup to the lace now, which I like to go from the back to the front. Now you see me putting the wig on to my mama's big old head. No, let me stop. But now I'm putting the wig on to my mom's head and making sure that it fits well and where I should measure it to see where it goes where and what goes what. So I like to line it up from ear to ear, and then you'll see me cut off the excess lace from the ear so I know where the glue should go and where the lace should go. And the whole purpose of you cutting the ear first is to make sure that the lace is not covering the ear or the back of the ear. So now it is time to start putting the glue onto the ball cap to lay the lace down. And all I do here is follow the edges of the ball cap, and I sometimes go a little before the ball cap and then I push the glue down when I am smoothing it out, or I'll do dots, so one before the line of the ball cap and one on the actual forehead. And you could smoothen it out with anything. You could do it with a stick, with a tweezer, the back of the tweezer. You could do it with a ponytail comb, a tail comb. You could do it with anything. I do not recommend you doing it with your finger because then your finger gets sticky. When it's time to lay the glue down, it will be like a hassle unless you use alcohol after you use your finger. But use any type of object that will smooth it down and have it laying flat. You don't want any white showing, because if it's showing, then that means it's not dried. So as you can see here, it looks like I don't even have any glue on it, right? Well guys, guess what? I do have the glue on there, but I waited till it dried like I said. So therefore now it is time to apply the lace onto the glue and lay that thing down, girl. And if you are doing somebody's hair, don't be shy to tell them to hold one side, girl. It's okay. It's okay. I promise you, it's okay. Like, it's okay. So I got my mom holding one side as I do the other, and then I'm just smoothing it out with the comb, making sure that it's all pressed down and it's all laid down. And if not, then I'll always go back with the glue and just reapply some more glue. And around this time, I like to ask the client if they want a middle, side, or no part with baby hairs or without baby hairs, because I'm about to lay down the band. So in the meantime, I like to decide and ask them what would they like and how would they like it. Yeah, look at me being the good daughter that I am. Just because I be talking to my mom any type of way. No, be sorry. But yeah, my mom was cold, so I just had to be a good daughter and get her my little blanket. I had went off camera and did the middle part and make sure that everything was laid flat. And now you're gonna see me cut off the excess lace off of my clients. And then I go in with the laser and I cut section by section. I cut the lace off. And if you don't know, well, now you know, because my alcohol wipes is my best friend and I'm going to use it every time to clean it. Yeah, so my mom didn't want no baby hair. She wanted to be all natural. So we didn't do no baby hairs today. But I just went in to make sure that the lace was more hidden and, laid flat. So I just went in with my makeup and just, touched up any parts that I felt like just needed to be a little touched up. I'm gonna give y'all a little gem, a little secret if you ain't know. So instead of applying, the spray, like you could use Got to Be glue spray or the even spray, but instead of doing it on the actual lace, spray it on your finger and then you put it on the lace, because then you'll only be getting the parts that actually need to be get. And sometimes when you do spray on the actual lace, it'll be a little too much and then you end up getting white, and then it will be detectable. The lace is gonna be detectable and you can't be able to say what lace. There I go again, putting that band on, making sure that this lace will be undetectable. So my mom could walk around and be like, what lace? So what lace? What lace? Look at her. She's so pretty with her little small legs. Stop playing with my mom. If you want to know what I use to wet it, I just use literally just the water bottle spray and mousse. That's it and that's all. And I put a little oil on it too to make sure it's a little shiny or whatever. Yeah, I'm sorry, but it's really given. This is my mom's actual hair. Like, she's really a coolie. She really come from a yard and she a coolie. She a Indian coolie. this is the final look. My mom did not want many baby hairs, so this is what she want now. Don't be looking at me like that, Aaliyah. What you gotta say?
I gotta tell you something, man.
What?
I'm tired.
Oh, okay.
And
You
thank you for
didn't
making me look beautiful.
You didn't even look in the mirror.
Because you told me not to.
Because I wasn't done, so go ahead. Here, I'll bring the ring right closer.
Oh my, first my phone dropped because of this heifer. Oh my god. Say what? Damn, look how I messed up my damn forehead, man.
Yep.
That's bad. I messed up my forehead. It's okay. It's gonna come back to one day. That's nice. No makeup in the world can cover that, huh? Just let maybe come back in natural, right?
You're just ugly.
Like your nipple pop.
Nah, I don't know what you did to your face.
That's because I was putting the styling together all the way down here. So I marked my forehead. Because when I asked my daughter to do my hair, she always got something else.
Yep. This is what y'all love to see, huh? This is what y'all love to see. Y'all love to see her act a fool. Look at the fit. Look at the fit.
The fit. Yeah, girl.
You could go party. Yeah. Big body girl.
Big bomba. Yeah. Where the party at?
You tell me.
Shit. Taking a trip to Jamaica.
You from there. You supposed to be taking me.
Somebody take me.
I'm telling. Mom, I have to get a thumbnail. Stand still.
Hey, I'm just trying to show you
Do
how
something.
I held the gun when I was in Florida.
God, y'all see what I have to deal with me. I'll be like, why are you so mean to her? Because she just, like, she don't listen. She say, like, comment, subscribe, tell them your business. Go ahead.
Oh, and don't forget to visit me on IG. Name so far is D_bodied_it. And whenever y'all need a perfect body, not that my daughter's kind of perfect right now, but I'm working on mine. So when y'all need that body, just check out D_bodied_it and get the job done.
Y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Bubble up.